Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to hang curtains even if you've never done it before. No experience needed, just follow these easy steps. Choose the right curtains. Before hanging curtains, make sure you choose the right size and fabric. Measure your window width. Curtains should be at least 2x wider than the window for a full look. For height, measure from rod to the floor. You can choose eyelet, blackout, pleated or sheer curtains depending on your style. Measure and mark the height. Now let's measure the exact position for the curtain rod. Use a measuring tape and mark the wall. Place the rod 10 to 15 centimeters above the window frame. This makes the room look taller. Mark both sides with a pencil, making sure the line is straight and level. Use a level tool so your rod is perfectly straight. Install rod brackets. Now install the brackets. Drill holes where you marked. Insert wall plugs for stronger support. Screw the brackets tightly. Make sure both brackets are aligned so the rod sits evenly. If your window is wide, add a center support bracket to prevent bending. Place the curtain on rod. Once the brackets are ready, place your curtains on the rod. For eyelet curtains, slide the rings through the rod. For pinch pleat curtains, use curtain hooks. Place the rod inside the brackets and tighten screws to secure. Adjust the length. Let the curtains fall naturally. If they're touching the floor too much, adjust the rod height. Or use hem tape for a quick no-sew fix. Make sure both sides of the curtain fall evenly. Final styling. Now style your curtains. Use curtain tiebacks for an elegant look. Smooth the fabric with your hands. Adjust folds to look balanced. If using blackout curtains, add a sheer layer behind for day lighting. Outro. And that's it. Your curtains are installed. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more home styling tips. Thanks for watching.